If you don't know how to use this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Press Powder, then watch this video. I'm going to teach you. So I finally understand how to use this product for me. This is the Huda Beauty Banana Bread Easy Bake Press Powder. And I also have the loose powder. In my routine, I put my concealer on and then I set it with a pressed powder, but this is a full coverage pressed powder. This is the MAC Studio Fix Plus Foundation in C4. You do not have to do these steps if you do not like a full coverage makeup routine. So if you don't like heavy makeup, you don't want to put that makeup on, you can just stop at concealer and pressed powder, whether it be a full coverage pressed powder or something that's not so full like this one. This is like a medium coverage or light medium coverage. You can stop there. I like to go a little bit further because I just like how that looks. That's just my preference. Makeup is definitely not one size fits all. There's no rules, okay? I don't care who tells you there's rules. There is no rules. This is your creativity. You do what you want, and that's it. So this is how I like to do it. So I like to put my concealer, put my pressed powder, and then I go in with my Huda Beauty Banana Bread Loose Powder. And I take some on a powder puff. I take this under my eye. I'm gonna press this in. Do the same for the other eye. Press this in. I don't take much, I take enough. And then the next step is baking under the eye. So I take some more powder and now I'm gonna bake with this one. So I am going to make it look like that under my eye. And I don't bake everywhere under the eye, just mainly in the inner corners right here. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my face, but when it's time to dust this off, I'm gonna use this powder and I'm gonna show you how to do that in 1 second. So now I'm ready to dust off the bake. I'm gonna take my powder. I'm gonna take my brush. This is from Morphe. This is what is this? This is the Morphe and Ariel collection brush. And I'm just gonna press this powder in. If I wanna go in a little bit more, I will take some on the same powder puff and just press it in. I feel like this just makes it more of a full coverage look for me, and I absolutely love using this powder that way.